Hi, Rachel Ramsey here at Wearable Tech Expo in New York City. I'm here with Cary Bran from Plantronics. Welcome to the show.
Oh, thank you. It's great to be here.
So tell me a little bit about Plantronics and what you offer.
Sure. So Plantronics builds wearable technology. We build headset devices that are worn in enterprises, contact centers, by consumers. We have a broad portfolio of wearable technology. Great thing about our devices is not only are they delivering high audio quality experiences, but they're highly integratable with today's software solutions.
Great. And what are some trends that you're seeing in the industry today? Some things that are fueling the growth of the wearable tech industry?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're seeing a lot more sensor capabilities being put onto one chip. We're seeing power, well, I won't say power conservation, but less power-hungry devices out there. So we're able to do more with less. Also as important as the sensor technology is the form factors that are pleasing to wear, that you can wear all day long, that are fashionable. I think all of those elements are important. And on top of all that is this ability for these wearable devices to surface all of the sensing information they contain into mobile and desktop applications.
And you have a wearable device to show us today. Can you give us a little background on us?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Happy to do so. So what I'm holding in my hands here is well, it looks like a Plantronics Voyager Legend, but it's actually a concept device that the innovation team at Plantronics Labs has developed. So it's, if you're familiar with our Voyager Legend, it already has two sensors built into it. They're capacitive sensors to know if you're wearing it or not. But this device is actually souped up. It's got a 9-axis gyroscope, magnometer, as well as a accelerometer. So we can get some very interesting things with this device. We can have pedometer functionality. We'll do some head tracking, head orientation, and also we've got some other goodies built into this. So I've got this device here with the APIs that we've built integrated into my iPad. So I'm going to put it on, and hopefully I'll turn the iPad around here after I get this on. Oops, sorry. All right. So now that it's on, I'm going to calibrate by doing that. So I'm going to turn this around for you. Can you see that okay? Okay, so as you can see, we're actually tracking my head orientation from the device I'm wearing. So if I nod like this, hopefully it says yes detected. Yeah. So we're able to do gesture recognition with the device, actually with the device signaling to the software to display that. So that's one area. If we zoom in a little bit more here, we've got some other sensors. I can do, if you look here, we can do tap detection. So if I'm tapping the device, it's actually picking that up. Now, what we would do with that functionality is really not only for us to figure out, but for the broader community to also figure out. And I'll explain that in just a second. The other capabilities are it has a pedometer built in and also free fall detection. So if you look here, if I throw the device up and it lands, we'll get a free fall event. So we can actually tell if you're falling when you're wearing it. Could be very interesting for building applications around aging in place, even sports applications. If you're on your bicycle and you fall off, you can get that kind of event. So the last feature I will show here is more of an augmented one. We've taken the device and its APIs and integrated it in with Google Street View. So this is actually outside the convention center. We're using the GPS coordinates provided by the Wi-Fi network. But as I turn around, you can see the map is also updating. So I'm able to track where I'm looking. If I look up, it should go up to the sky, and if I look down, same kind of thing. But not only are we able to convey it here, but we're also able to, with our APIs, take this data and package it up and send it off to the cloud, which can be fed into other devices. So I can actually share what I'm looking at on Google Maps with anybody that I so choose. So these are all concepts, though. This device is a concept, and we're really looking forward, and I'm very excited to announce that we're going to make this device available to early adopters, innovators, people who are really passionate about wearable technology. We're going to make it available as a device to tinker with. We're not going to, this isn't a product, this is really about feeling out what's possible with wearable technology and sensor technology, and where we can go as an industry, as an ecosystem of partners with wearable tech. So that's the device. The device information on where you can get your hands on one of these, what's going on with this device is available at pltlabs.com. That is our innovation team that's inside of Plantronics. We have a public-facing website now called PLT Labs. I've got the shirt. here. Just really super excited. It's launching this week, but that is the place to go. Just register. We'll give you updates as to where this device is going and how you can get your hands on one in the future. So.
Excellent. Well, very exciting. We look forward to seeing the growth of these products. And thank you for taking the time to talk to us.
Thank you.